What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can make a 60-second long TikTok video. So let's start this video by launching the TikTok app. Once the app is launched, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and your camera will open. When the camera is ready for shoot, at the bottom of the screen you will see three options. One is 15 seconds, which is selected by default. Another one is templates, where you can find various templates. And the other one is 60 seconds. Now to make a 60-second video, you have to select 60 seconds. And at the top of the screen, you will see the timeline that it is divided on 15 seconds interval. Now all you have to do is long press on the record button and start shooting. And by following this method, you can take multiple shots of a single video. Whenever you want to end the shot, all you have to do is just let go of the record button. And when you are ready for the second shot, then again long press on the record button. And that will start the second shot of the video. When you are done, tap on the tick icon on bottom right corner. And that is how you can make 60-second long TikTok video. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.